So we got some new shop equipment and we're going to be unloading it today. The hot tank is going to be the easiest one to unload, as you just seen. Go ahead, man. I got the door. Hopefully we don't have to take the doors off.
How did you get that damn mill up there?
Very carefully.
Language, kid. Kids today. No respect.
So we come through here. Come on.
Fuck, it ain't fitting.
What she said?
Oh.
You can't record very good, man.
James?
I can't record, but I'm trying to help him record. I need a chest GoPro. Here you go. Ow.
We'll catch you in the middle door. It's too narrow. Oh yeah, and this pipe. We got bad problems. We're going to have to bring it out and turn it around.
Oh, how about take
Huh?
take door take the door off.
No. Yeah, we can.
Screw that off with my big ass pipe wrench. It's still down here, ain't it, Matt?
Yeah. This one just needs to open up a little bit more, don't it?
Yeah, but you can look. What's that?
We got a problem.
Ah, fuck.
Yeah.
That's the problem.
That's a problem. It's a tight fit. I'm more worried about that.
I ain't, because it's going to come right off there real easy.
You'll slide.
Only thing I worry about is it catching that metal plate right there.
And falling forward on one of us.
Well,
No,
I'm
it
not
won't
going
fall
to be in
forward,
front
just-
of it.
I got the J hook attached
Oh,
to
you're
that.
just worried about it getting caught and we can't get it down. Because it's a heavy son of a bitch. You want me to?
It's a finesse job. It ain't just a brute job. Because they don't want to break that fitting off.
Is that just a drain?
That's about a $1,500 tank you're looking at.
I know. Cleans engines, it does all sorts of stuff, agitates and everything.
There's all kinds of fancy shit.
That helps the noise.
It might be a good jacuzzi.
Yeah, I could see somebody turn this into a jacuzzi. Be a nice, cool project, wouldn't it?
You have to put some kind of controller on it.
It'll literally bake you.
It gets up 500 degrees and yeah.
Will be the first engine testing at the LS.
Probably. He's got to fill it full of water.
What?
How many gallons does it take?
Not.
Looking at it, probably about 2,400.
1,000?
No, about 400.
No, 20 gallons is over. Look how big this thing is. That takes way more than a fucking bathtub does.
Yeah?
No, I just got to looking at it and the size and stuff. No. That's going to take quite a bit of water.
About 400 gallons.
Are you able to open it up for me so I can look at this?
This is heavier than shit.
It's on the other side, so you ain't going to be able to see it.
Man, no.
We'll do it when we get it in there.
Don't worry, Mr. AutoZone. We'll do it soon. Yeah, that's pretty tight, though. Yeah, this is going to be dangerous. Now, there are many ways to unload a Bridgeport. Now, this is probably not the proper way, but do your research, because these are dangerous and can kill you, can't they, Silas?
Yep.
Silas had an adventure with one, didn't you? Right, he saved the guy from dying from this, because he would have crushed him. How does it feel to be a hero?
Feels like shit. 'Cause my nuts hurt.
Yep, I see that in the comment section. I'm just going to stand here and film this beauty.
Time to do some sketchy stuff.
Wherever you get yours.
Time to do some sketchy stuff.
Yes.
Yeah. What was it, Matt?
I think it'll be fine.
I'll do it right there.
You need me to work the tow truck?
I think Mac left that by himself.
I don't think I'm a little.
Grab it by myself. So.
I'm a little clumsy. I don't think you want me in this delicate procedure we got going on. Cause
All of his positions.
the last thing you need is a oops. Everybody's gonna be like, why we don't use the forklift in this? Well, the forklift's not running, and that's not going. So
That worked out great.
but it's the safest way. You go around this bottom, and like if it's slack, you click it and pull it down slowly.
Kind of what I was thinking.
Instead of bumping the bed like that.
Yeah. If we hook it over in this pocket, it'll pull around the plate.
Yeah, we got that plate right by we got Dodge.
That's what I'm saying. It'll pull around the plate if we hook it over here in the pocket.
Power jack under the low back, easing it off. Just trying to be careful, slow and steady, isn't it right, Silas? Oh man, that's
What's got them ribs in the bed?
yep.
Only thing saving your life right now is this yellow strap.
I know. Just holler real loud when I'm dead. That way I know it's coming.
Watch it, Matt.
Yeah.
Watch this now. How much is it on that side?
Not that much.
About. It should be fine. Come on.
Let it go if it goes, won't catch it. Ain't working high.
I say the machine will be fine, the concrete won't.
I'm gonna cut in just a second. Let me grab my bar and see if I can squeeze it.
Yeah, that's working. Whoa, Silas. Well, just it's getting there. It's just a very combination of different ideas coming together to work. Isn't that right, Matt?
Yeah, most of them bad.
Yeah. Most of them ain't the best ideas, but it's working. It's inside. That's what matters, ain't it, Matt?